Welcome everyone to another video tutorial. Today we'll be looking at SweetAlert. What is a SweetAlert? The SweetAlert enable us to show messages on the browser, be it an error message or a success message. So we are going to look at how to include or reference SweetAlert in our PHP code. So I'll go to the SweetAlert official website. Let's go to that. So I'll come here and put SweetAlert 2. SweetAlert 2. So I'll click on the first one, which is sweetalert2.github.io. So it's going to load to their website. Then I will quickly show you examples of SweetAlert 2 so that you see how to use the SweetAlert 2. So these are examples of SweetAlert 2. If I click on this, you will see the SweetAlert 2. You can see that this is what we call SweetAlert. You see that? So we can click on another one and click on this. This is what we call SweetAlert. So I want to teach you how to include this on our HTML and our PHP code. So I will go here and click on installation. After clicking on this installation, I'll click on this called JS CDN. Click on that to download the SweetAlert. You want to download the SweetAlert. So to download the SweetAlert, you click that JS. So you see this icon here. This is a download icon. So click on this icon for you to download SweetAlert. You can see it has downloaded. You can see I've downloaded the SweetAlert. So I'll go to my parent folder, that is the employees folder. You can see I have downloaded the SweetAlert. It is in the zipped file. So we have to extract it. To extract, to right click. So you right click, you see extract file. Click on the extract files. So I'll click on OK. Then instantly it will extract a folder file called SweetAlert2-10.15.5. So I'll click it. I'll click on this package. Then I'll click on this dist. Then I will see a particular file called sweetalert2.all.main.js. So I'll copy this. This is the most important one, the only one I will copy. I'll copy this, then go back to my employees parent folder. I'm going to create a folder here. Create a folder called SweetAlert2. I'm going to create a folder. I'll name it SweetAlert2. So I'm going to paste that which I have copied into this SweetAlert2. So I've pasted it. You can see it. So the next file we need is the jQuery file. So we are going to go to the jQuery.com to download the jQuery file that we need. So I'll go to jQuery.com. I'll come here, Google. So I'll come here and click on Google, jQuery.com. Click on jQuery.com. I want to download the jQuery file. This is jQuery.com. Click it. Then this is the official website of jQuery. I'll click on download jQuery version 3.6.0. So I'm going to click on this first part that say download the compress, the first one here. Click on this. Then you will see some jargons. So you right click these jargons. I'm going to right click the jargons. So I'll see save as. Click on the save as. Then I will save my jQuery files here inside my SweetAlert2 folder that I created. So you can see I've downloaded the jQuery file. You can see these are the two files that I need so that I can link it to my PHP code. So let's go to the text editor to link that. So in the text editor, I'll go to my HTML boilerplate. So here, let me delete it and show you what I'm going to do. So here I'm going to link it by using the script source. The script source, remember that this is the index.php in the admin section. This is the index.php under the admin folder. Let me show you this. This is where we want to use the SweetAlert for now. So what I will do is to link it, which I've just done. So I'm going to come here because I'm in the admin folder. I want to link SweetAlert in another folder. What will I do? I'll put my // then I'll go SweetAlert 2, click this. Then I want to link the jQuery file. I'll say jQuery. So I'll click this. So I've linked this jQuery file to this particular HTML boiler. So I'll come here. I'll put the scripts to link the SweetAlert. I'll do the same thing. Then I'll put SweetAlert.or.me.js, the one we copied. So I've successfully linked. I'll copy the link to the HTML boilerplate. So there's one thing I want to let you know. Whenever you're using SweetAlert, make sure that your codes are always below these scripts, JavaScript that we linked. Make sure they are always below, not above it. So because I want to use it in my PHP and my PHP is above this boilerplate, what will I do? I have to copy the PHP code and put it downward below it. So let me comment this so that in case we want to need it, let me comment this. Let me comment it out. So I'll come here and to comment it out. So let me copy it now. I'm going to copy everything here. Control C. Copy it and paste it below the SweetAlert scripts. I'm going to paste it below that. Okay, let me come here under the body. So I'll come here under the body and paste the code here. So but before then, let me undo it. I have to put my PHP tag here in the body. So I'll put PHP tag, then I'll paste the code here. So I've pasted the PHP code here. So the next thing I want to do right now is to use the SweetAlert. So to use the SweetAlert, you start by opening the JavaScript, or SweetAlert is JavaScript code. You start by opening the script tag. So what will I do? I'll look for ones that contain error message so that I can easily use it. So let me come here. Let me comment this PHP out. Comment this out. Then let me close the PHP for this. Close it. Then open it somewhere here. Open the tag, PHP tag here. This is where I'm going to put my SweetAlert scripts. This place. Take note, SweetAlert is JavaScript, while PHP is another JavaScript language. They cannot be in the same tag. That's why I have to divide the tag. Close the PHP tag. So our SweetAlert will come here. So I'm going to open scripts, JavaScript. Then I'm going to come here and do this. I don't actually need the source. I just want the script tag. So I'm going to put my script alerts here. So I'll go to the website of the SweetAlert, sorry, of the SweetAlert. Go to the website of SweetAlert. So I want to copy the code. Sorry. So let me copy this code in the SweetAlert. Copy this one. That is this one. I want to copy the code. So I'm going to copy this. Control C. Then come to my text editor. I'm going to paste it here. Let me comment this as SweetAlert position. This is SweetAlert position. The SweetAlert position here. So I'll come here and paste the code. So let me do some little bit of adjustments here so that it will look good. Oh, sorry. So let me do some little bit of adjustments. Okay, let's save this. Now look at what this code is saying. It says if username is empty or if password is empty, then what should we do? We should pop an error using SweetAlert. So let's save this one more time. Then go to the browser. So I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to remove every data here. Remove this one here from username. Remove the password here. Then click on the submit button. Then when I click on the submit button, you can see it brought out an error in SweetAlert form. So can you see how to use the SweetAlert? So the next thing is to I want to edit the SweetAlert to suit my own taste. So I'll go back to my text editor. Then here I'll just bring the title to the top. Delete the title from here. I don't want the title to be here. I want the title to be at the top. I'll come here and put title. And let me say this title should be empty field because we are dealing with emptiness. So empty field. Sorry. Empty field. So it should be empty field. Then I want the text to be under the title. I want this text to come under the title. So this text is going to be, these fields cannot be empty. I'll copy this, then I'm going to paste it here. So the next thing I want to do, let me remove this footer. I don't need the footer. I'm going to replace the footer with a button, error button, just the way we did for our icon. So error button. So I'm going to save this, Ctrl S, then go to the browser again. Let me refresh this. So I'll go to intentionally make this empty, then click on submit. So you can see empty fields. These fields cannot be empty. So you can see how we display error using SweetAlert. So the next thing I want to do is to go to my text editor again. Let me copy this code from here to here. So anywhere I see error message, I'm going to paste this code and do some editing stuff. So there's an error message here, so I will end the PHP tag here, then open it somewhere here. Then here I'm going to paste my SweetAlert here. Paste it here. Then let me just adjust it a little bit. Okay. Now this one is invalid username and password. Let's copy that invalid username and password. Let's paste it under text. I'm going to paste it here. Then let me write, the title should be wrong inputs. Let me write wrong inputs. So I'm going to save this, go to the browser. Yeah, I will intentionally put a wrong password and click on submit button. You can see wrong inputs, invalid username / password. You can see. So this is how we create SweetAlert, using it to display error message on the screen. In our next class, I'm going to show you how to use the SweetAlert to display success message for the user. Thank you very much.